Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about Apple's latest software update, you're in the right place. Today we are taking a look at the iOS 27 beta, exploring its new features, performance, and whether it's worth installing right now. So let's dive in. Apple's iOS 27 beta introduces a fresh set of improvements aimed at making the iPhone smarter, more personalized, and easier to use. Right from the start, you'll notice refinements to the overall design. Animations feel smoother, menus are more polished, and the user experience feels more modern. One of the biggest highlights is the continued expansion of AI-powered features. Siri is becoming more intelligent and capable of handling requests more naturally. Everyday tasks such as managing notifications, organizing information, and interacting with apps feel more streamlined thanks to these improvements. Customization is another area where iOS 27 beta shines. Users have more control over their home screen, lock screen, widgets, and app layouts. These changes may seem small individually, but together they create a more personalized experience that makes the iPhone feel uniquely yours. Performance is generally solid for a beta release. Apps launch quickly, navigation feels responsive, and multitasking works smoothly on supported devices. However, because this is still a beta version, occasional bugs and glitches can occur. Some users may experience app crashes, unexpected behavior, or reduced battery life compared to the stable public release. Battery performance is a mixed bag at this stage. While Apple has included optimizations, beta software often requires additional tuning before the final release. As a result, some users may notice faster battery drain, especially during the early beta builds. Overall, iOS 27 beta offers an exciting preview of what's coming to iPhone users. The enhanced AI features, improved customization options, and smoother user experience make it one of Apple's most interesting updates in recent years. However, if you rely on your iPhone for important daily tasks, you may want to wait for a more stable version before upgrading. And that wraps up our iOS 27 beta review. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Apple updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.